Are you a website owner and you're looking to provide special offers to your visitors? Well, FOMO Proof is that perfect tool for you to use to offer special offers to your visitors. My name is Toby. Welcome to Software Safari, and I'll be taking you through FOMO Proof and all that it has to offer. Once you gain access to the page, you log in with your email and your password. When you log in, you're greeted by the dashboard, and you can see your latest campaigns, your latest notifications, the number of campaigns you've created, your notifications, and the impressions. We'll create one campaign. When we're creating a campaign, you include the name of the campaign and the page. Once you create that, you'll be given a pixel code to copy and to include to the head tag of your website. If you're using WordPress, you can include this with a WordPress plugin. And if you're using HTML, you can simply just include this pixel to your HTML code. Copy. Go to plugins. Search for WP headers and footers, settings, and include that script to your header. And save. Once you've saved, you can always keep the site available to you. And return to FOMO Proofs. We'll create a notification. You can choose any type of notification you want to create, from an informational notification to a coupon, to a live counter, to an email collector, to conversions, conversion counters, videos, social share, reviews, and as much as possible. We create an email collector. Click to continue. Let's call this email collector email notification 1. And to be a weekly newsletter with this description message, with this placeholders, this button text. And if you choose to show agreement, you can include a privacy policy. Thank you URL is to redirect your users to another page once they submit the form. You click on update. We select triggers. On triggers, you can select how you don't want the notification to show. You can choose if the trigger should be displayed after a delay, on exit intent, on scroll percentage, mouse click, or on mouse hover. You can choose an amount of seconds you want for the notification to show up. Then you can choose display frequency, if it should be all the time, once per session, or once per browser. Then you can choose if you want to display on small screens or also display on large screens. Next, you can check display. You can choose if you want your direction to go from left to right or from right to left. You can choose the display position. You can choose the display duration. Then you can choose if you should display branding or display close button. Next, you can choose customize. To customize, you can change the background pattern, background color. You can choose the button color, the button radius, entrance animation, and exit animation. You can choose an animation, and I can update. Next, we can visit our website to see if this email notification will come up. But don't forget to turn the status to on first. Reload. And you can see that a notification comes up. Once you include your name with your email, Click on sign me up. You can definitely check data, and we can take a look at the email and name of the person that has signed up to our email notification list, other parts of the dashboard. We can take a look at heat maps. And heat maps will be made available to you once you've purchased it. You can take a look at your teams. You can take a look at your agency. The API is available to you. You can change your account settings, edit your preferences, and also know your billing plan. Overall, FOMO Proof is a very useful tool for you to prevent the fear of missing out on your users. A link to FOMO Proof is in the description of this video. This is Software Safari. See you in the next product review. Goodbye.